Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed colleagues, dear chemistry community, I'm honored today being with you, with one of the finest chemistry institutes in the world. Virtually, we are celebrating the 25th anniversary with an institution that is not only a center of science and research. Your institute symbolizes the strong and steadfast nature of Ukrainian people in the face of a terrible war. You are teaching us how to understand what the word resilience is really about. The EOH Institute and the group of Professor Sharmolovich are a synonym for innovation, knowledge, and hope. Imagine 25 years we have worked together now, and this strong standing partnership is a testament for trust and mutual respect that has developed between our institutions. Our cooperation began already in the year 2000 with the former company of Höchst and later Sharing. Professor Sharmolovich has always maintained a special relationship to Germany and to Bayer. I'm super confident that these connections will endure also in the future. During this period, we have engaged in projects that are not only demanding, but also groundbreaking in science. For this collaboration, significant results have emerged, including joint patents and important case studies for assessing the feasibility of complex chemical processes. In total, approximately 1,000 chemical syntones have been delivered. The EOH has established itself as a leading institute in fluorine chemistry, and if anyone can outsmart kinetics and thermodynamics, then definitely the scientists of your institute, EOH. Their unparalleled experience has not only contributed to the development of new methods and materials, but has also fostered the creation of a global network of scientists dedicated to the future of chemistry. Despite the adverse circumstances, the team has demonstrated reliability, commitment, and unbelievable, and this is really needed to be mentioned, the productivity has remained always unchanged. Thanks for this. I also recall our visit to the Institute in 2021, which provided us with the opportunity to experience firsthand the impressive work, passion, strength, and unity of your team. With impatience, we are looking forward to return to Kiev as soon as peace has found its way back to the heart of Europe, to deepen our collaboration and then to celebrate the progress we have achieved together and then in person. Again, we thank you all for your outstanding support, your great service and commitment. And now, let us listen what our chemists thinking.
Dear colleagues, this year we celebrate the 25th anniversary of the cooperation between the Institute of Organic Chemistry, Ukrainian Academy of Science, and Bayer. On behalf of the Process Research Group, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to every colleague, past and present, who has been part of this collaboration. Also, the very warm congratulations from Norbert Louis and Christian Funke, colleagues who initiated this cooperation and supported it over the many years. Dear colleagues, your expertise in the field of fluorine chemistry, sulfur chemistry, and hydroxide chemistry is crucial for success for Bayer project. Your contribution to the numerous Bayer crop science projects is remarkable. Just to mention some really exciting results, it's nitrofluorination of vinyl fluoride to form difluoronitroethane. Its reaction of freon 142 with ammonia to form difluoroethylamine, key building block for our active ingredients, Sivanto. Its cyclization of dimer of hexafluoropropane to form fluorinated pyrazole key building blocks for our insecticide Stigolan. Your contribution finally resulted in numerous of process patent applications and contributed to the development of industrial processes for bioactive ingredients. Your expertise and know-how, especially in the field of utilizing HF for fluorination, but also as a solvent for reaction, is unique. There are only few laboratories around the world that possess the same level of expertise and experience as you. We hope that this expertise will remain available for Bayer in the future. Your reports and description of experiments have always been very precise and reproducible. I remember only one occasion when we could not repeat the results of your experiments. In your description, the reaction was carried out at room temperature for 24 hours. But at this temperature, here in Monheim, we observe a significant amount of decomposition. Only when we realized that room temperature in Kiev in January or February is quite different from room temperature in Monheim, and performs this reaction at 12 degrees, we did obtain the same result. We also recognized the tough condition you work in Kiev. Dear colleagues, over this year, we have achieved remarkable success, built strong partnership, and opening new horizons in innovation. We are proud of what we accomplished together, and we are looking forward with confidence and enthusiasm to the next 25 years of our partnership. Dear colleagues, dear Yuri, we would like to wish you and all the staff of the Institute, as well as your families and people of Ukraine, a speedy return to peace. May peace, freedom, and tranquility prevail in Ukraine again. Glory to Ukraine. Slava Ukraini.
Yeah, also from my side, I'm very happy and very thankful for the last 25 years of collaboration with you guys. I have to say, the first encounters that I had with you was roughly 10 years ago. I was a young lab in process research, and we were working on this very famous reaction at room temperature, at clear room temperature, that Sergey mentioned earlier. This was my first encounter with you guys, and was absolutely phenomenal how fast you worked, how good you delivered what we wanted from you. And yes, I had a bit of a problem to reproduce, but once we knew that we should just lower the temperature a bit, it worked flawlessly. And I'm extremely happy also to tell you that these patents that we filed then, based on this reaction, are now also in the plant, and for the first time we produce it and use it commercially. So over the last 10 years then, I had a lot of different places within Bayer, but always close at process research, be it in the plant, be it in managerial positions. But now I'm back at what we call now process design and center delivery. So at the end, the succession organization of process research. I'm leading that organization now, and I'm super happy that we are still in collaboration with you guys. And I'm looking forward to the next 25 years of solid and very fruitful collaboration. Thanks a lot for all the work that you do, and I'm super happy that we can celebrate this now together.
Hello, my name is James Ray. I'm a lab leader here at Crop Science Bayer in France. I wanted to show my appreciation for your efforts last year in synthesizing a very challenging building block on multi-gram scale. There was an important impact on the project, as this allowed us to make chemical libraries to better understand the structure-activity relationship of our chemical class. The chemistry that you did was a 7-step synthesis using reagents that we're not equipped to handle here at Bayer. So there was a huge added value for us, as we would not have been able to make this building block ourselves. The route itself took some optimization to figure out as well. And this is particularly impressive given the situation in Ukraine at the moment. So once again, thank you very much for your dedication, for your hard work. It's very much appreciated and held in high regard.
It is with a real pleasure that I was asked to contribute to this video. Over the years, you have contributed so much to the work we have been doing. It's a real shame that we have actually never met I've never had the opportunity to visit. And the work that you have done has had such an impact with us, and we're extremely grateful for that. I am a chemist through and through, and I know that we have had to push the boundary so many times, exploring new chemistry, things that we sort of thought, does this really stand a chance of working? And we always knew if we came to you with a problem, that we would get the best input possible and have a real chance of pushing the boundaries back on the chemistry. For that reason, we don't say it in English, but we say it in German. I would like to take my hat off to you. Thank you very much.
Lieber Professor Schabolowitsch, liebes IOP-Team, vielen Dank für die letzten 25 Jahre erfolgreicher Kollaboration. Ihr wart die Einzigen, die es geschafft haben, uns diesen Building Block in ausreichender Menge zu liefern, den wir jetzt in viele unserer Moleküle einsetzen können. Alle anderen Kollaborationspartner haben das nicht geschafft. Vielen Dank dafür und auf eine weitere gute Zusammenarbeit.
The idea of the molecule came when I discussed with Sergei Patanok. We are very grateful to Professor Schabolowitsch and your Institute as they help us to prepare a key intermediate for that molecule. And here we are. Dominic synthesized more than 10 grams, and this molecule after formulation will travel to India and Brazil, where it will be tested in field.
Ja, ich möchte mich auch nochmal bedanken. Grüße gehen raus an das Institut für organische Chemie. Und wie Anne schon gesagt hatte, habe ich ca. 10 Gramm von den 5 und 4er Heilkandidaten hergestellt und wir hoffen auf beste Ergebnisse.
Merci beaucoup.
Cher Institute of Organic Chemistry, toutes mes félicitations pour cette longue collaboration, ce quart de siècle avec Bayer. Et en particulier, merci beaucoup pour votre expertise dans la chimie du fluor. On continue encore comme ça pour les 25 prochaines années. Merci encore.
Although I've only recently joined this journey, I've seen many sparkling eyes of colleagues when talking about this remarkable collaboration between Bayer Crop Science and the Institute of Organic Chemistry of NAS Ukraine. And I've heard stories of scientific excellence, deep trust, and a partnership that actually now stood strong for 25 years, which is very, very impressive. We unfortunately never met in person, but still, I admire what you've achieved, not just in the lab, but in the way you've continued with dedication, even in times of big challenges. The video is our way to say, we see you, we honor you, and we are proud to stand beside you. Your work matters to us and to all of Bayer. Thank you for inspiring us and for reminding us that one crucial foundation of science is a strong collaboration, what we have with you. We're happy to continue this journey together.
For me, especially what you are stars of chemistry.